Namaste, Sat Shri Akal, Adab. My name is Saibal Gupta and you are watching your favorite channel, that is the Bangalorean Bong. So today's topic is all about the tank pad of my CBR250 and Dominar 400. So which I bought, okay, and if you really like this tank pads, you can comment in the comment section, and I will contact with you, and definitely I will send that particular tank pad which you need. And I'll not waste much of your time, and I'll install this tank pads so you can see that how I am doing it. And so I'll not waste much of your time, so let's go to the video. So this is the parcel all about. Okay, so I'm going to unbox it, and I believe you have seen my knife before in my previous videos, and I was doing the unboxing especially with this knife, and you can see it is tightly packed. Okay, yeah, this is the package is all about. It's extremely tight. Okay, I'm facing so much problem while I'm doing unboxing. You have to be very careful while you are doing it. It's almost done now. Oh my god, I have to use my knife and as well as the scissor too. So this is the product. Okay. So which I'm going to install in my Dominar. Anyways, so yeah, this is my CBR. So I have another tank pad. I'll show you the design. So you have to be very careful while you are removing your existing tank pad, and you have to clean with Colin or any of the so it'll much more easier if you are using Colin, because it's very good. Now you can see that my tank pad is literally ready to install. First you have to take the measurement, you have to clean it properly. Done. So as you can see, I have to install it part by part. You have to be very careful, you have to take a proper measurement. See, this is how you have to install your tank pad. And as you know that 93 Rapsol, these are the specially known for CBR. Now I have to hop on to my bike, because I need to see that whether it will be properly installed or not. It's better if you can, that means use a paddock stand. As I'm experienced, so that's the reason I can measure it properly. So it's been done. So after finally you have to use Colin to sharp it up. So now it's a turn for my Dominar. So you can see that this is the bottom part of my sticker. See, I'm using it I'm installing it one by one. So you have to be very careful. If you are not professional enough, I would suggest you to go to any sticker shop and pay some money and get it installed. Don't do it by yourself. Okay, it's looking really gorgeous, what I can understand and what I can see. If you really like it, you can just comment in the comment section. This is all about. And the bottom part of the sticker, I have to put it on in my second display in my Dominar. So here is some cinematic shots. Let's enjoy that. So that's all from my end. So thank you for watching this video. So if you like this video, you can just give a thumbs up, and if you don't like this video, you can give a thumbs down button. And if you like this the tank pads, you can directly contact with me, and you can just comment in the comment section with your phone number so that I can contact with you. And if you need any particular tank pad, you can just send me the picture. Okay, so that's all from my end, guys. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day, take care, and bye bye.